Hey guys, Alex, you guys up there. This is really critical. You pay attention. You have to always use this wrench. This wrench goes just like this and holds the bottom here. So the bottom stays stable. Then you just tighten this, then this turns around, okay? And then you tighten this. You cannot allow this to turn. If this turns, some nurse gets and uses it, she'll break the system. Always have to use this. So it goes on, lock this bottom, it should never turn. And then up top, you go on and you tighten it like this. That's it, okay? Very important, do not ever forget it.